Hi, welcome back to Respect Makutu's YouTube. Today we are proceeding from our last video that we have made on how to become a lawyer. First and foremost, let me take this opportunity to wish all of you, those that are viewing this broadcast, Happy New Year. Those that are enrolling for LLB as a first years, welcome to the Legal Fraternity. Wish you all the best, nothing but the best. Those that will be writing examinations for both, I also wish you all the best. May God be with you as we prepare, and those that are going to be admitted, may this year be your year, and may next year also be your year. May it be a year of admissions. We want to see many more future legal practitioners. How to become a lawyer. This is a very interesting topic. The reason why I say this is a very important topic is because we have the students that are going to start their legal journey now, those that have registered for LLB. Some of them, they just registered for LLB, they don't know the procedure, they don't know how it takes to become a lawyer from LLB to admission, because LLB per se is not a requirement that is required only for a lawyer to be admitted as an attorney of the High Court of South Africa. In terms of the Legal Practice Act, there are many requirements of which we are not aware of. Many students, they just completed their matric. Some of them didn't attend career exhibition. Some of us did attend a career exhibition, but we were not told about the process, because I can assure you that being a lawyer is not as simple as it looks like, as it can be easy, it can be achieved within a period of 4 years or 6 years. It can, but it takes time, because of you'll struggle to secure your articles, you'll struggle with board exams, because we are not all the same. Some pass at first instances, some struggle, some does not pass. They can try it for third time before they can make it. So it's a process of for being a legal practitioner. So the purpose of this video, the purpose of this broadcast, is to tell you about the process of how it takes to become a lawyer from LLB to admission. So number one, we are going to focus. We are not going to dwell much on the apps, on what it takes to register for LLB, how many points is needed. We are just going straight from LLB to admission. There are also those that they don't know about law. They just say lawyer, lawyer, lawyer. Well, let me just give a brief definition. A lawyer, it can be an advocate and attorney. So they are both different, but they are lawyers, but they don't run the same practice, because an attorney consults with client directly, and an advocate does not um, consult with a client, but he receives a brief from an attorney, so that he can litigate on or counsels on behalf of the client that the attorney has referred to the advocate. Yeah, so mainly people confuse these things, whereby you end up calling an attorney, an advocate. So this video, the purpose of this video is also to give a clarity for those that calls attorneys an advocate. Those are two different legal practitioners. There's an attorney, there is an advocate. So back to the topic, how to become a lawyer. Well, as a requirement, it is a requirement that a lawyer must have an LLB. So as you have registered your LLB, you are on the right track. If you want to become a future legal practitioner, a lawyer or an advocate, this is for you. You must have an LLB. So today we are going to focus mainly on an attorney, and then a follow-up video it will be made to give reference as to what it takes to become an advocate, because lawyers is both attorney and advocate. So today I'm going to base this topic on this discussion. I'm going to give it will be based on an attorney. An attorney is required to have an LLB, and then of which you must register it with an institution that is accredited in terms of higher institution. It might be UNISA, VETSI, UJ. It can come from any recognized institution in South Africa. So you must first have it. It takes 4 years. So you register, you complete, and then after you have completed, you can go to law school. Yes, it is a requirement also that a legal practitioner, a future legal practitioner, must undertake to go for school for legal practice for a practical vocational training. So it is a 6 month, but nowadays it has been shortened to four months, I think. Yeah, so we can do it also with the likes of UNISA, the likes of University of Limpopo, Venda. It has been just lately been accredited. It also does have law school. I'm not sure about the processes, but lately it does. So if you go to, you must have attended a law school. It is a requirement that you must, before you can become a lawyer, you must also attend a law school. So number three, is that you will have to complete articles. You must serve articles under a certain law firm. If you have been to law school, you can do it 1 year. Can Because you have attended law school, you can do 1 year, serve 1 year article, and you can condone and then be admitted as an attorney of the High Court of South Africa. And then if you have never been to law school, but you just want to start your serving articles, you can start serving articles right from the start. The commencements of articles, it is with between 2 years. It takes 2 years to complete your articles. And then after you have completed, you write board exams. Board exam is the third requirement which a candidate must have to write so that they can be admitted as an attorney. Board exams are exams that are set by the legal practice councils. They come twice within a year. They are being written on March and are being written on August. So it's up to a candidate whether to take it composes of 4 exams: first paper, second paper, third paper, and fourth paper. One paper, be it paper one, magistrate practice, high court practice, motor vehicles. Second paper is Wilson Estate. Third paper is attorney's practice. Fourth paper is bookkeeping. 345 rand to register to write those board exams. So you must pass all of them, and then you must have attended law school, you must have an LLB, you must have completed or served articles for 2 years or 1 year if you have went for a law school. So that's what it takes to become a lawyer. It is not an easy road. We are not being told about all these steps when we start our law degrees. We just register our LLBs and then we think, no, that's the end of it. Only to find out that you have to complete your articles, and you'll struggle to find articles. Others are lucky; they don't struggle to find those articles. They just after from university, you just apply with good marks and you can get yourself an opportunity to be called, to be admitted, to be taken as a candidate, so that your road can be easy. It start now from your LLB degree. If you registered for LLB, I urge you to pass with higher rate, to pass pass mark around maybe 70 upwards or 60 the average. So yeah, hope to see you to my next video. I hope this is useful, it reaches you. I wish you nothing but the best. This law is for all of us, so we must keep on fighting. It is not an easy road. It is not easy to become a lawyer. It is a long road. It is a long road. It's not just a road because it takes time. You know, after 4 years, you have to do 2 years articles. After 2 years articles, you still have to struggle with board exams. Others, they don't struggle. So others, they struggle with money for law school. So also my advice is that if you are on your final 4th year of LLB, it will be advisable to tell your parents about the road to your admission, that you must go to law school. If you don't find articles, don't just sit at home. This is something that kills most of the people, that after they are graduated from LLB, they don't go to law school because of maybe they don't have money, maybe they don't know about the procedure, maybe they are not sure of which road to take. So yeah, it will be advisable for you after you complete your LLB degree to go to law school, so that you can shorten 1 year. You write board exams, you pass all of your board exams, you serve articles for 1 year, and then it will be condoned if you pass all of them. So it will depend on you, or if you are more eligible, if you are more equipped with how the law goes, how it takes to be a lawyer, what you are required to do, what you are required to have, the processes, you must be all aware of it. So on our next video will be focused on advocate, or the road to advocate. It is I'm not sure about the road, whether it's simple or not, but because of I'm on the attorney side. I want to become an attorney of the High Court of South Africa one day, as I am in the process of being admitted. I think advocate road is more simpler than attorney's road, because when it comes to attorney, all the requirements that I've listed are long. So when it comes to an advocate, the road is less than on the attorney side. I'll do my research, and then I'll come back with a video for advocates, the best litigant, as compared to attorneys, best lawyers. So we will meet on our next video. Stay safe. God bless you.